I think it's probably more than what I bargained for, more than what it's a whole new business. It's been great. A lot of collaboration, a lot of talking and working through shit so we can really nail down these processes and implement them. We got done all these CRM automations, comes into our pipeline, is going to have, or gets a proposal, is going to get a 21-day sequence. There's frameworks, but you have to go and figure it out and implement it, and where this actually puts action to those frameworks. They're documented and we can lean back on them when we have questions versus winging it like we've done for the past 5 years. Better than Rich. I mean, you end up with a whole team behind you. It's not just a VA, it's not just Mike or Andrew, it's the whole team that, if you need an ad bill, you need a graphic to send to somebody. I had them Photoshop a little like a one-off mailer to send to somebody last week, and just you end up with a whole team